What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to spray Raptor Liner, Bedliner on the Jeep Grand Cherokee. As you guys know, it's been looking pretty rough for probably the past 6 months. I'll put some pictures somewhere on the screen for you guys to check out. But today's the day we change all that. We'll make it one solid color. I'm going to do black. It's not going to be like a very in-depth showing you guys every little detail, but it's going to be an overview on how to do it, the steps you take, and all the little details that I figured out throughout the way. Give you guys some tips, some things that I kind of didn't like about the kit, and then some things I really liked about the kit. The kit was really good. There's just a couple things I didn't like about it, so let's go ahead and get right into it. So for starters, these are some of the basic things you'll get in the kit. You get the Raptor Liner hardener, and then you also get the bottle of Raptor Liner. The cool thing about these bottles is that the spray guns that you get with it actually screw on top of these and work perfectly to spray out of. So to get started, what we're going to have to do is measure 250 milliliters of the hardener, dump it in here, and then shake this up. So I didn't actually have something to measure 250, so I have these two measuring cups. This one's 120 and this one's 5, so I'll do 2 of these, give me 240, and then 2 of these to hit the 250. And then we'll dump it in here, shake this up, put the spray on, and go ahead and spray the first fender. So after doing that, I actually realized this ridge basically marks where 250 is. So from here on out, for all the next bottles, we'll just dump this straight into here until we get up to this ridge, and then we'll go ahead and shake it and spray it on the car. Alright, so I got the first coat all the way on. One thing I forgot to mention earlier is make sure you shake this stuff very well. I didn't have a problem with it, but I would 100% shake it for the full 10-minute time frame that they tell you to do. That way you mix the hardener and the bedliner up perfectly, and once you're done that, it literally just screws onto the bottom like that. But here's a little better look. I'm going to go around in a second place and touch up some spots that I missed a little bit. And then after that, we'll install the headlights again once it dries, and get some cool drone footage of it for you guys, and kind of review the whole project. I ended up doing the back bumper. I'll probably do the front bumper here shortly if I have enough of this left. I don't think I do. Actually, I still have one more, so I should have enough to do the front bumper. When the time comes, I gotta take everything off that, obviously. Anyway, let's go ahead and finish this project. Alright guys, so here's the final result with all the Raptor Liner on the Jeep, and I think it came out really good. If you guys look closely, ignore all the stuff that fell on the Jeep last night, but the texture is super even throughout all the panels, and it was actually super easy to spray on. So let me give you guys a little, ignore the mess, I still haven't cleaned it up. But these are the bottles they give it to you in, like I showed earlier in the video. You fill it up to this ridge right there where my thumb is with the hardener, and then this literally just screws onto the bottom of the gun that they provide to you with the kit. So this just goes in like that, and then it screws on. The only complaint I had about this entire kit was the gun, actually. So the one they give you, Let me see if the camera will focus. See that little like plunger thing on the inside there? Let's see if I can get this to focus for you. That thing right there. So when you pull the trigger, it works fine, but every once in a while it slips off like that, and then it doesn't pull the trigger, which doesn't spray. So you'll be, for example, mid-coat through a door and it'll just cut out on you, which is not as big of a deal with Bedliner as it is real paint. Real paint, that would be very, very bad. But since we just used Bedliner on this, not a huge deal, especially for the price. I will link this kit down below. This whole Jeep only took one kit of Raptor Liner, and then I used their primer. I'll link their primer below. I'll link everything I used to get this done down below in the description. So I'm very happy with how this came out. As you guys can see also, the headlights look sweet with this black Raptor Liner, although I will be changing the headlights, the color of them soon. I'll go ahead and give you guys a little hint of what my plan is there. Already messed up once, so we'll be wrapping them one a similar color as that. But I'm super happy with how the Jeep came out. I'm gonna go ahead and cut to some just like cool shots of it, show you guys exactly how it turned out, and thanks for watching.